Hi, and welcome to another episode of Design with Amy. Today, we are going to talk about the A to Z of Figma. So, we're going to look at all the Figma shortcuts from A to Z. Let's go. Control A selects all the layers on the file. Shift A adds auto layout to all the selected components on the file. If you have a text field and you select it and you press Ctrl B, the text will be bolded. C allows you to insert a comment. Ctrl D allows you to duplicate the selected component on the screen or element. Ctrl E flattens elements on the screen. F allows you to create a frame on your screen. Shift G hides or shows layout grids on your screen. H introduces the hand tool on the screen. Shift I opens the components, plugins, and widgets wizard, allowing you to quickly search for plugins and components on your screen. We are going to skip J, but J has a shortcut on Mac that allows you to join components on your screen. By selecting an element and pressing K, Figma allows you to scale uniformly by opening up a small wizard that allows you to enter the scale you want the image to be or the component to be scaled at. L allows you to draw a line, while Shift L allows you to draw an arrow. When you select two elements on your screen and press Ctrl Alt M, Figma masks these elements. Ctrl N opens a new Figma file. Shift N zooms into the nearest frame on your screen. O allows you to draw the oval shape, also called the ellipse. P introduces the pen tool, while Shift P introduces the pencil tool. We are going to skip Control Q for a reason, because Control Q will quit Figma and close all the open tabs and Figma as an app. We'll do that at the last section. R allows you to quickly draw the rectangle shape, while Control R allows you to rename a frame on the page. Shift R will hide or show rulers on your page if you have any. S introduces the slice tool. T introduces a text box. Control U will underline text in a text box. V will introduce the move tool. We will also skip Control W because Control W will close the file. We are going to demonstrate that at the end. Control X will cut the selected element on the screen. Shift X interchanges the color that is on a stroke of the selected element on the screen with the color that is on the fill of the selected element on the screen. We will also skip Control Y because it currently doesn't have any shortcuts on my screen, or maybe I'm the one who doesn't know about it yet. So if you know about it, you can let me know. And finally, Control Z undoes the last action you made on the screen. And as I promised, Control W closes the window that we had open, and Control Q closes Figma tool completely. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you've learned something, and I hope these shortcuts will help you design faster and better. See you next time. Bye.